Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are trading US dollar versus Swiss francs, where we have got a very good opportunity. If you want to watch the video till the end, then please like it and subscribe to the channel. Guys, here I have taken lot size according to my risk because I always follow proper risk management. See you guys after some time. Guys, I have $4,700 in this account which I am going to grow in front of you. Right now we are facing a little loss, we will be in profit very soon here. Let me explain you why I have placed a sell trade here. The market is currently following a strong downtrend which is repeatedly creating selling setups. Our entry here has happened at the right time. Now I will create a downtrend channel here. The market is creating lower high points on this trend line which you can easily see in the chart. We will connect these points properly with the trend line because the entire further analysis will be based on this trend line. The second trend line will connect at lower low points. This trend line acts as support which tells us how low the market can go. The market is currently moving downwards in the same trend channel, forming a downtrend pattern, which has given us a good selling opportunity. Now we will create a strong reversal level which will give us the exact position of the market. At this level the market has created both support and resistance reversal points, which is the most important points, because due to these points our strong level has been created. Here the market first took support and later broke this level and created a resistance point, due to which a support become resistance pattern is created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. Whenever the market creates such a pattern, the chances of the market going down increase significantly. Here our level is working very well. Now we will set stop loss and profit target, so that we can exit this trade at the right time. My stop loss will be above this level and outside the trend channel, which is 12 pip above. If there is a trend line breakout here, then we will plan for the buying side. And the target point will be 24 pip down. Here my risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. The market may make a new lower low at the place where our profit target is. We have to hold this trade for a long time. Guys, our loss here has increased from $100 to close to $1,500. But we don't need to worry because this is my high probability setup. I am also following proper risk management with this setup. Guys, let us see what result the market gives us. Now all our levels have been drawn perfectly, which the market is also respecting. Now we have to stay in the trade with patience because from here onwards the work of psychology begins. We have to keep our psychology strong and focus only on the trading process. The market keeps moving up and down, which sometimes results in profit and sometimes loss. We should never worry about this because it is a part of trading. See you guys after the stop loss or profit target is hit. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars, in fact I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used.
Beautiful move, guys. The market has respected our setup very well. The market has reacted at the same level where we draw the levels. In our setup, all the levels were drawn perfectly, which helped us a lot with these levels. The market is still following a strong downtrend. My target point was at this level, which was hit some time ago. Now we will draw further levels which will give us more selling signals. The market first took support at this level and is now creating a resistance point, due to which a support become resistance pattern is being created here again. High probability chance market will move below this level as we have applied trade on this type of pattern earlier also, the result of which is in front of you. Now we close our trade. Guys, right now our profit is around $8,600. We had deposited $4,700 in this account, which has now grown to $13,978. We were able to do this because of proper risk management and strong psychology. Guys, you should practice the same setup again and again and also do backtesting, so that you can know what is the winner of your setup. See you guys in the next video. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.